So big it doesn't even
fit in the camera.
fit in the camera.
Where's the wind coming from?
Right by my back, this way.
It's that way.
Yeah. Gonna launch into the sun, it's gonna be hard to see. Can't see it. I don't know where I'm seeing it in the film here.
There's no power here.
No power? Still no power?
No, I turned it on. Yeah, right. Now no power now.
Where is it?
Lights beautifully, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Whoa!
Shit. Is that deliberate?
No, it wasn't.
You got power on there or not? It's gliding. Yeah, it's not losing a lot of altitude, is it? Do you have to sort of consciously keep the nose down sort of thing to...
At the moment, yeah. Wind's tricky.
The wind?
Yeah.
Just go straight up with it. Can you go straight up? Look, go... Not quite.
Don't quite have the power to go vertical, but
Yeah. It's probably a little bit windy for it, isn't it? Don't know how much the thing is in the frame already, but... Easy to fly?
yeah, pretty easy. It's just got to watch it when it dips the wing a bit.
Yeah. So don't turn too sharp.
I haven't actually tried, but I should be
Get a bit more altitude when you do
using
that.
a rudder. Flap's fully on there. Oops, let's turn it on.
Is that the helicopter?
Coming for land.
Flaps on?
Flaps. On. You can see it.
Lift.
Jag.
Very gentle.
Very gentle.
Very gentle. Oh, see they're dropping a dude out of the helicopter.
Can you see that?
I don't know. Have a look.
It's recording. Can't see anything at the moment.
No. Right. How polarised sun is, I think it makes it difficult to see things.
the guy go in or out?
Out.